Here is the lecture 10 of Organon of Medicine.
Next, mineral bath is given the aphorism number 285, footnote 6th edition. Minister naturae. Minister naturae means helpers of nature. That is given in the introduction, page 15, 16. Mission of the physician, ये आपको पता ही है, aphorism number 1. Modest patient, aphorism 97. Modus operandi, aphorism 29 and 148. Mongrel sect means half homeopaths. That is given the aphorism 249, footnote in 6th edition. Aphorism 148, footnote in 5th edition. Aphorism number 246, footnote, and preface to 5th edition, last footnote. Moral remedy is given the aphorism number 17, footnote. Morbid phenomena, aphorism number 6. Most criminal method of treatment, aphorism number 203. Narcotic medicine, aphorism number 113. Nature's cure, aphorism number 49. Nature's law of cure, aphorism number 26. देखो ये दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं, याद रखना. नेचर्स लॉ जो दिया है वो दिया है 26 में, और नेचर्स क्योर जो है वो एफोरिज्म नंबर 49 में. नेक्स्ट, अगेन वन मोर वर्ड, ओ टेम्पोरा ओमोस मीन्स sorry, o the times, o the customs. That is in the aphorism number 267. Observation of physician, aphorism number 90. Obstacle of cure एक जगह आपको aphorism number 3 में आपने पढ़ा है. Then aphorism 252 and aphorism 260 और जोड़ लीजिएगा. Next, obvious cause, aphorism 93. Old method of preparation of mother tincture is given the aphorism 267. Next, olfaction method is given the aphorism number 284, footnote. One-sided diseases, aphorism 173 to 184. Organon doctrinal part, aphorism number 1 to 70. Organon practical part, aphorism 71 to 291. ठीक है. 291 मीन्स कौन सा एडिशन की बात कर रहे हैं? एलिएशन इन द एफोरिज्म नंबर 67, फुटनोट. नेक्स्ट, परसेप्टिबल फिनोमेना, एफोरिज्म नंबर 8. फिजिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एफोरिज्म नंबर 5. फिजिशियंस ऑब्जर्वेशन, एफोरिज्म 90. प्लेसिबो, एफोरिज्म 91. एफोरिज्म 96, फुटनोट. एफोरिज्म 281, 6th edition. Next, portrait of disease is given the aphorism number 6. Posology, aphorism 245 to 251. Potentization, aphorism 270. Preparation of medicine is given the aphorism 266 to 271. Then preserver of health, aphorism 4. तो aphorism 4 आपने hygiene वाले में पढ़ा, वही उसमें लास्ट में है ना. He is a likewise preserver of health, he who physician. Next, prima causa morbi is given in the introduction, page 2, and aphorism number 6, footnote. Okay, wait. Okay, next, primary and secondary action, aphorism number 63. Primary symptoms of three miasms, aphorism number 80. Problems of nature's cure, aphorism number 50. Next, Sora, mother of all chronic diseases except psychosis and syphilis, aphorism number 80. Sora, secondary symptoms, aphorism number 81. Psychotherapy is given in the aphorism number 224, 226, 228 and 229. Qualification of physician, जो knowledge of physician की अपन बात कर रहे थे, that is in the aphorism number 3. Qualities of physician in chronic case taking, so aphorism 98. Qualities of physician, aphorism 83. Record keeping is given the aphorism number 104. Regimen in drug proving, aphorism 126. Repertory of jar and boiling lotion, aphorism 153, footnote 6th edition.